Hey everybody. In this video I am going to show you how to use Google's color picker to pick any color you want to get RGB colors or hex colors. And here we have a web page with a style sheet, and in the web page I just have a header and a paragraph. It's attached to the style sheet. Style sheet has 4 rules. One for the body, one for the H1, one for the paragraph, and one for the H1 and the paragraph. And mostly other colors, and then I just added some padding so there's some space inside the H1 and the paragraph. Now right now we're using just regular color names. Blue, gray, light gray, but I mean that's very limited. If you want to get specific colors, you can use Google's color picker. So let's take a look at that. So here we go. In Google, just type color picker. And this thing pops up. Now this can get any color you want. Wherever you drag this little white circle, that's the color that shows up down here. The hex, the RGB, and then there's like other ways to use colors. But hex and RGBs are the ways you know. So let's say we want a different blue. So we scroll this down to blue, and up here this is like blue, and it goes darker, 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 all the way down to black. On this side, it's just white to black. So these are all the grays. Alright, so let's see, let's drag a little more. Let's say we want this blue. It's much prettier than the blue we have. And I'm going to just grab the hex code and paste it here. Now we have that color blue. Much nicer. For the header and the paragraph, we have gray and light gray. So we go back here. Let's say we want a really dark gray, like this one. This time I'm going to use RGB. I'm going to copy that. And here's how we do RGB. RGB, like this. So it's RGB, and then inside parentheses you put the 3 numbers. These 3 numbers. And then for the paragraph I have light gray, so let's drag this guy up here. Say this is the one I want. I could use hex, or I could use RGB. Either way, they both work fine. I'll use hex. And there you go. See, if I change this to a different 164, it changes. Alright, anyway, that's how you use Google's color picker. You just go to Google, type in color picker, this guy pops up. Drag this wherever you want, and then you can get the colors.